Yo, what up, what up, what up? What's going on, y'all? We back at it again, man. Part 3 of the boat restoration, man. Y'all lay around for it. We about to get into it. Short intro, man. Y'all already know how it's going down, baby. Alright, guys. I ain't got a whole bunch of footage for y'all on this one, man. But I'm gonna show y'all a few things that we did. It's real cloudy out here right now, man. Uh, sun was out extra hard, and as y'all can see how I look out here now, man. So yeah, that's why we got this tent up over here and got the tarp over the front of the boat, man. So basically what we were doing, I cut out some we cut out these live well vents up here in this pull latch in the front, and we got that done. We did get that kind of taken care of, as y'all can see. That's what that's looking like, you know. V2 vent and the lid pull latch, you know what I'm saying? So I wanted to at least get that out the way, you know. We're trying to get some of this stuff out the way before we, you know, get to that stage of carpet and all that stuff like that, man. So it's best for us to do it now, get it out the way, that way we ain't got to worry about it later on down the line. So that's where we at with that. I got sold a faulty actuated cable, man. As y'all can see right there, man, my cable came apart right here, man. So I had to glue that there to see if this gonna work, man. If this don't work, man, I'm gonna have to get another cable for my live well. So yeah, that's what I'm dealing with right now, man. So we put a pause on it. Just trying to run some of that stuff there. As you can see, we got that face bracket in right there. But other than that, man, we were just trying to finish up, you know, finish up this completing this live well. We were supposed to be running the what you call this today, man. Some of this wiring and stuff for this bilge pump and everything, man. So we could probably take this thing out on the water and test it out the next time. But I don't know how far we gonna get with that, so I don't know, man. We'll see. We'll see where we at. We'll see where we at with it in a minute, man. So just wanted to give y'all a quick update. We ain't do much on part 3. Like I told y'all before, you know, it's all about setting ourselves up for dropping in the bilge pump, wiring up these aerators, getting these panels put in, you know, where we gonna be filling in these spots, man, so we can run these wires and get this thing popping, man. We probably will, I gotta cut that board so I can epoxy, put that board down there so I'll be able to epoxy our fuse block bus bar down there, combo, man. Down there against the hull down there. So that's what we waiting on, man. Trying to see what's up with this stupid thing right here for right now, man. But you know what I'm saying? Appreciate y'all, you know what I'm saying, clicking on the video, man. Part 3, know it 1 month. It's gonna be a kind of short video. And they only gonna get better and better, man. We gonna start dropping accessories in soon, man. This thing gonna start coming together. Like artwork, man. Y'all already know, man. Alright, man, I had to get y'all some footage, man. The weather was terrible today. It started raining as usual in my bass boat restoration videos. weather is always terrible down here in Miami. Also, man, almost fainted, man, from heat exhaustion, man. It was so hot earlier, so I had to put something together for y'all for this video, man. Pretty much, man, what we got going on, man, is we cut this out a little bit earlier, and we hooked up our, I don't know if y'all can see it over there, but we hooked up our actuator for the live well over there. We got that in. I'm gonna tell you that was a headache too. Don't know why, but it was a headache. But we got that in there finally. So we cut these holes out, man, for these V2 vents in the live well, in the front live well, and we cut the hole out for our lead pull lift. So we got that done. I guess I'm just gonna, let me see what this directions say to this thing. Install, you will need a hand drill, bit set, filler screw. So yeah, that's where we at, man. Get this at least installed in. At least get this done. We couldn't get as much as we wanted to get done. I know these videos is dragging out longer than I want them to. I'm ready to be done with this boat already, to be honest with you. So ready to be done with it. But you know, as they say, man, greatness takes time, man. And we just want to make sure we doing this the right way. So I'm assuming this is the right bit for that. Yeah, man, that's what it is, man. Try to get this lined up and drill this out so I can go ahead and secure this. We're gonna be just doing this kind of now. I know you guys probably like, why you doing this now at this stage, you know? Well, I'm honestly just trying to speed the process up so I know I can go ahead, man, and start getting this thing ready, man. Once we get these live well, once we get, you know, this flow right kit from TB Nation for the front live well, whenever that comes, then we won't have to really do anything as far as, you know, anything running, you know, below the deck of the boat. So we'll be able to tidy that up, man, and close that off and never have to worry about it again until something comes up. So I just want to get that out the way, man, and I'm ready to get this thing on the water. I haven't been doing no fishing, man, and that's like stressing me out. Like really stressing me out. I'm ready to go fishing, man. My channel was fishing with Nate, not fixing boats with Nate, you know what I'm saying? So I'm ready to go fishing, man. But this is part of the process, so I gotta respect it, man. What the final score was?
30.
What?
Zip.
I still ain't scored, bro.
We 4th down and 3. He threw the ball right in the fucking running back hands.
The same quarterback?
Yes. He threw it in the running back hands for the first down.
Oh,
down
shit.
Just to let's see if we can get some points. We on the 20 now. Just to get some points on the board. 4th down and 3.
What'd he do?
Missed the whole fucking ball.
What running back?
Man, 28, whoever the fuck that is. Mark, whoever. I say, yeah, we can got money on this shit. What we gonna do?
I need you to cut. I need you to cut that board.
Which? How? I gotta hurry up.
There go the thing right there. Yeah, that should be it. That board is right here, lad. No, I'm saying the thing. What you gonna be cutting it out to trace it around? Yeah, that right there. Flip it on the other side.
You want it?
Oh, that's how big it's gonna be. That's the thing. That thing I showed you where all the power going to. So you know you want to make the board just a little bit bigger than that.
No, what I'm saying is you want me to cut this out.
I need you to cut. Yeah, I need you to cut that out so I could glue that to this thing right here on the inside, cause that's where that's gonna sit at. That board gonna get cut when you cut that out like that.
All right, but I got it like this. I can draw it right here.
Nah, don't draw it right there like that. Put it somewhere like, cause you gonna need this little spacing over here too. So what where we could where we could like sand it with the sander and shit, so it could be smooth and shit like that. We don't want it to have no straight edge like that. But it's going right here basically, like, cause you're gonna do it a little bit longer. You know what I'm saying? This the actual size of that thing. So you want to make it a little bit longer. Cause remember, we can't screw into that whole thing right there, and that thing takes screws. So that's why we using this. This is gonna get screwed. That thing what I showed you earlier is gonna get screwed to this, and then we're gonna glue this with that epoxy to that. Cause we can't drill it now. You know what I'm saying? That's where all our brain. That's the brains of the power.
So that's what I'm saying. So you need that to sit level to this, like this. Like say this.
Yeah, it's gonna sit flat. Yeah, it's gonna sit flat.
So you need this to be cut.
Yeah, that's the template. Oh, that's the template of the thing what I just showed you earlier.
So that's what I'm saying. So why you can't just have it? Because it's level to it's even with this.
I mean, go ahead.
That's what I'm saying.
Just slide it up, so don't cut it in the middle, cause we might need to use. We still gonna need to use some of that white stuff for another piece that we gonna be doing.
So this way.
Yeah, that's cool. But you just what I'm saying is, see, you still gonna need more. The screws is at the top. It's 4 screws. They both gonna be in the top corners. We can't have that exactly the same size because we needed to have an overlay. You feel what I'm saying? We gotta have a little play on the outside for the screw to, you know what I'm saying? That's why I was saying move it off the edge just a little bit to get yourself. You feel me?
Probably like a half inch, like this.
That'll work right there. Yeah, like a half inch all the way around. Yeah, you feel me?
Like,
Yeah, just to give, you know what I'm saying, to give it a little play. What spot?
Spot in Broward. Good girl. Everybody good too. So like this.
Yeah, the same shit like that. Just, you know, give it a little play so the house some shit to rest on. Like I say, you know what I'm saying? Screws, I mean, yeah, it's four screws that gotta go into that shit to hold it in to hold it on that board. Cause we're not gonna be able to, you know, we ain't gonna be able to drill into that into the side of the damn boat. But that shit so thin, we drill into that, we gonna fuck up something.
So it's pretty much like a ½ inch bigger than this.
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah. I mean, not precisely, but you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I gotta take this. I'm gonna take this thing out too, boy. Look how rusted this shit is. Rust just falling into the live well, bro. Look at this shit. I had got another one of these anyway. You know what I'm saying? That bitch got to come out for this bitch be done rusted the whole rest of this motherfucker. That's why they not supposed to put that type of shit in. You don't supposed to put that type of shit in the boat, man. You don't put no shit where it's around water and that bitch gon' fucking got the chance of rusting. You gotta put stainless steel shit in there. Tripping, man. Fucking with the integrity of the boat like that. Oh shit, what that other thing got? Cut that bitch out, that quick shit. Shit, get that alcohol out. You got the
Wipes?
Yeah, wipe that, yeah. So we could, shit, like you could put that bitch on there right now. And cut that other little piece. Shit, that's good. Yep, that's good. Get these shits out the way so the next time we can just drop them in there. I was trying to tell you to shit, glue that shit on there.
What?
It's going here. Going down here, my brother.
Right here?
No, I gotta go the straight way. Straight, lads. Other way, vertical.
Yeah?
Yeah, I want to put it like that if it can.
I mean, you gonna be over.
No, we don't want it like that.
Ain't gonna be level.
Yeah, turn it the other way. We don't have to put it like that. Yeah, like that. With that side being on the outside right there. We just gonna have to turn it sideways like that. Here's what it is. So yeah, just put some epoxy. Use that as the back side right there. Just epoxy that shit on there. Put a, you know, like a little significant amount on there. Kind of like spread it out even. Yeah. What you were saying though? That's gonna make that bitch stick and hold. That bitch by feel, my brother. I have no idea. press it on there. Just make sure you got it on there. Press on there pretty good. And that should be straight. Put a little tension on it. So if you let it go, it's gonna drop? Yeah? Ain't nothing to like lean against it? Well, that shit should stay on there. We need that shit there, cause shit.
Gotta go here? Can't go like there or nothing like that?
Like where?
Like flat?
Hell no, we can't have that shit there. No, that shit can't be exposed to the weather. Gotta have it ducked off from out the weather. I'm open, pretty much open bare wires and shit, you know what I'm saying? That's the whole reason why we got that dielectric grease shit too. For that purpose right there. That's what that dielectric grease for, to keep water out of that shit and keep that shit from corroding, and anything that's touching like a ring connected to like, you know, a piece of metal or a screw like that, all that shit need to be coated. I mean, if it ain't sticking loud, there ain't nothing we can do about it. We gonna have to just get some regular wood. It ain't sticking. No. We gonna have to get some regular wood. Cause that epoxy supposed to make that shit stick. Yeah. It say sets in 5 minutes. You mix both of them together? Yeah, that shit. Nah, do me a favor, plug the what you call it up. What you looking for, that glue?
Put something to hold it up.
That glue right there, you can throw that glue on there too. You might got to put more than that, Lodge. I know it look like that's a lot.
Some of it on that.
Oh shit, okay.
Just rubbed off on that.
Okay.
That's what I'm saying.
Shit, I don't know. Just try that glue out. I don't know. I never did that before. Get this motherfucker right, man. I need to get on water, bro. Shit, man. Real, bro.
Using those still?
What? Them things? Yeah, we still gonna need them, cause we gotta cut the other hole out for the overflow. I'm not talking about today, right?
Okay. No, I'm talking about now.
Oh, now, no. We ain't even got the thing to cut the other hole, right?
On this.
Oh, go ahead. Yeah. Oh, you want me to pass it to you? Oh, do me a favor, Lodge. Plug that back up for me. Yeah, just vacuum clean. we do. I did told you that, right? That's why I told you I ain't gonna. That's why I told you back then, like to start that shit up that day because that gas been sitting in there for probably 3-4 months, maybe longer than that. You run bad gas through there, that's definitely what we don't want to have no problem with that because ain't no fixing that for us. I don't know shit about that. And you fuck up injectors and you fuck up the carburetor, we talking about $1,500–$1,700 job just trying to fix the motor. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you gotta. Yeah, that's why. You know what I'm saying? Got to monitor this shit, bro. It's gonna get us to the bag, man. Got to monitor this motherfucker, bro. I'm just trying to get to the bag, that's all. Listen. Dude. Oh, I'm gonna make sure they ain't gonna give you nothing but some sack. That's all they got, some sack. That's all they willing to offer. Some sack and a headache. Try to use these motherfuckers. Yeah. Shit. Fuck yeah. Weather was not permitting us to do much, man, but just to give y'all a quick look, man, that's what we had got done today, you know. Y'all see that, the V2 vent, the lid pull, lift latch, man, you know what I'm saying. We didn't get to the back of this freaking live well, but we did get the actuator in and the cable, so that's lined up and in place, and then lined up with the 3-way valve, so we got that tidied up a little bit, man. Still got a little stuff to do back here, waiting on this overflow piece, man. Tried to go to Walmart earlier and find that, but we couldn't find that on Walmart. Tried to find it at Home Depot, we couldn't find it there, so I guess I'm gonna have to order it, man. Need a 1 1/8 overflow piece, man. So yeah, man, that's where we at, man. Didn't get much done, like I told y'all, man. Almost fainted earlier because it was so freaking hot, man. And then it started pouring down, raining, and plus the football game came on today, man. So I was in between all that stuff there going on, but you know, we was able to take a step ahead, man. Like I told y'all earlier, this wasn't gonna be a long video. You know, we was gonna tidy up some of the things that we left unfinished. We were able to remove all of that wiring that was over there that we did not need, so we were able to get that out. So that is out of there. We did get that out of there and get that out the way. We epoxying this PVC board over there to the inside of the hull. Hopefully that's gonna dry up. We got the little got our freaking what is them things called? Our little drill bits, hole bits. Holding that in place. Hopefully that's gonna dry. So we'll leave that like that for a couple of days, man, to see if that cure up. They say it's supposed to set in 5 minutes, but you know, who knows? We'll see if that's true or not. Other than that, man, you know, this is where we at, man. As y'all can see, it was so hot out here, man. We had to put up a freaking tent over the boat, man, to keep us from dying of heat exhaustion, because I literally almost passed out, man. It was that hot, bro. I was getting dehydrated so fast, and I had to consume damn near a gallon of water, if not a gallon and a half. But I feel a lot better, man. I don't get sick, man. I rarely ever get sick, man. So, or I have ever felt like that. I'm a true athlete, man. 3-sport athlete: basketball, baseball, football, man. My whole life since I've been 5 years old. So that was a first for me, and it was also kind of scary, man, that I was feeling lightheaded like that. But like a true soldier, man, you already know, bounce back like a rubber band, man. So back good. Again, we weren't able to get too much done. Got as much as we possibly could get done. So just another step in the right direction, man. You feel me? Didn't even think I was gonna be able to do this video, man, but you know, by the grace of God, man, I was able to finish it. Felt a little bit better, man. So that's what I'm giving y'all. This ain't gonna be a long video like the other ones, because we really didn't get down into the nitty gritty of this thing. But it's coming soon. It's getting close to us getting down to that, man, and I can't wait, man. So next video. Next video. Wiring the aerator. Getting us a new, well, let me do this right now. I'm putting it back up here. Finding us a new spot for this overflow, man. Which I think I'm gonna be coming out. I think I'm gonna come out the side with this overflow now, like how the one in the front is over here. I think I'm gonna come out the side down here at the bottom, as opposed to going out low back here in the back. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to drill through the transfer, man. Got enough holes back there as it is, so I think I want to come out the side instead of doing it like that. So I'll be heating up this 1 1/8 holes, and probably, due to the fact that I had this set up to come out the back of the boat, I'll probably have to switch that up as well and point that in a downward angle, so I could, you know, have my hose flowing straight out the side. But we'll get to that whenever we get to that, which will probably be the next video, cause all we got left, man, is throwing these things in there, man. Just to let y'all know, this was a headache, man, earlier, man, with this valve and this actuated cable, man. We kept popping out on us, man. But as y'all can see, that's auto right there. Recirc. Back to empty, man. y'all can see, man. We got this thing going now, man. So, only thing left for us to do to that is wire it up and get it out on the water, man, and test it out, man. And I can't wait to see how this thing perform. Still don't have a cover for this boat yet. Wasn't really stressing about that. So I didn't put the actual drain plug to this actuator in yet, as you can see, because you know it kind of takes on water sometimes, you know, sitting out here in the yard, and I'd rather just leave that open as of right now, for right now. That way I don't have to worry about, you know, when this thing gets, y'all can see there's water in here now, and that's for me rinsing it out and getting some of that dust that accumulated in here. So I rinsed it out, so water was sitting in here, so I just wanted to get that out of there so, you know, it could be clean. I was supposed to drop these battery trays in here today, but I guess we'll say that for next time, because, man, you know, like I say, everything pretty much that's left is going to be like a plug-and-play situation, man, you know. But just to give y'all, you know, a heads up, man, got seats coming for this thing, man. BassBoatSeats.com. BassBoatSeats.com, man. We got seats coming for this thing. Stern wheel, BassBoatSeats.com. We got to get our live well lid done, man. So it'll be a duplicate of the front live well lid. Two V2 vents and the pull latch. You know what I mean? So that's what that'll be. What else? We're gonna be switching these pedestals mounts out, switching them out for stainless steel ones. Don't even know if that's stainless steel because it's painted over. So, but another reason why we switching that out is due to the fact that, you see what happened, man, when you don't put stainless steel in your stuff, man, you get things like this happening, man. So that's a no-no for me. That got to get up out of here. I want to take it out of here right now, but I don't want it to rain, and again, that's just a big old hole in the boat, but that's coming out ASAP. So that's what we looking like, man. That is what we looking like right now. We're gonna be changing these cowls as well. You know, all this stainless steel, or what is it called? Zymac. All these Zymac things and stainless steel type thingies, these getting switched out as well. Changing these Atwood light bases out. We're gonna change those for the light armor light bases, man. So we getting rid of that. What else? Yeah, the remote. We getting the Evinrude Johnson BRP remote, man. So, you know, that video will be coming up soon. I'm just giving y'all some stuff that we gonna be doing to this thing. Switching out the RPM gauge. We're gonna be getting a Fario Platinum gauges in here. Just gonna replace this one with a Fario Platinum gauge, and we'll probably put a GPS speedometer on that side right there. Changing this vent out for a stainless steel vent right here, you know, getting rid of that. What else, man? Yeah, man, that's what we, you know, that's what we going at with it, man. So next video, man, you know, y'all make sure y'all lock in, man. Subscribe to the channel. If you are not subscribed to the channel, man, please do that for me, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get this channel turned up, man. We'll be getting turned up. you know, with y'all help, share the video so these videos can get out there, man. I'm trying to take this thing to a whole another level, man. You know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna need y'all help with that, man. So show your boy Nate love, man. Like I said, you know, we 23 subscribers away from 100, man. And I'm doing the giveaway at 100 subs, man. So y'all get it up there, man. You might be the lucky one to, you know, win this giveaway, man. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, enough rambling. Thank y'all for tuning in to this video. I know it was short, but we did get a little something done. It was a little productive. So we getting closer and closer, man, to this thing being back in the water where it needs to be. And what I've been yearning for, you know what I mean? I ain't been fishing in a while, man. I'm so like tunnel vision focused on getting this boat right. Yeah, I haven't even been able to, been wanting to go fishing. I have, of course, but you know, I don't want to fish from land. I want to fish from the boat, man, and complete this thing and not get complacent with, you know, just have it sitting here, you know what I mean? So, you know, like I say, man, a lot of things, man, on back order, man, and, you know, we can move only as fast as the stuff that we get in, you feel me? So, y'all stay tuned, man. It's going down sooner or later, man. You know what I'm saying? We getting this thing right, baby. We getting it right, man. Trust me on that. Trust me. That's another thing. We gonna be dropping 20-ounce carpet in here too, man. From Tiny Boat Nation, man. The 20-ounce cut pile carpet. We gonna go with the charcoal color, charcoal 87. So, you know, we got a lot coming up, man. We got a lot coming up. You know, all that down the road. Just letting y'all know, giving y'all a little insight on how this thing gonna be, you know. Before copy get dropped in here, of course, it's gonna get sanded and painted. You know, switching up the rod rails, making this thing, you know, making this thing legit, man. You feel me? So yeah, man, I'm gonna end this video. Again, thank y'all for tuning in. Make sure y'all subscribe, like, hit the notification bell, turn it on all, man. You know what I mean? So you can rock with your boy Nate, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know the saying. What else can I say, man? Fishing with Nate, baby. Fishing with Nate and Eli, man. Y'all already know, man. Check it out.